I would like to congratulate both the teams of System and the MG Motors team. They put their full effort and achieved the milestone. That is the big achievement for both, and it will help MG to further enhance the business penetration in market.
The major achievement during these projects has been the implementation of the core SAP S4 HANA modules, along with the integration of their SAP system with the parent DMS system, which was the dealer management system. It involved the seamless integration from a customer walk-in all the way down to the dispatch of these materials to these customers.
2022 was an event where we started producing cars in Pakistan, but today is a momentous occasion. SAP S4 HANA is live now. This will usher an era of digital transformation where we can produce cars efficiently, effectively, and seamlessly integrate our dealer management system with our production system.
So MG Motors has selected SAP and has partnered with our premium partner Systems Limited for the successful implementation of SAP project. So we all know the global trends and the mega trends like smart cities, autonomous cars, awareness about the energy emission is changing and reshaping the automotive industry. So with our solutions in place, I think MG Motors would be all geared up.
So MG is a unique brand in terms of technology. We start our operations back in 21, and then we have produced many vehicles, alhamdulillah, from this plant. I start a unique features with respect to the plant. We have the robot laser welding operations, which is actually, we are the pioneers among all other automotive companies in Pakistan. We have a lineup of other models as well in the coming years, inshallah. Very soon you will see other product lineup in the MG.
The good thing is that we are with the latest version of SAP Rise with SAP HANA on private cloud. So it's a very memorable day. We have completed this project within the projected timelines. That's another achievement. That's a very proud day for MG. And the good thing is that we are live along with our dealers integration system, that's the DMS. And using SAP, the data within DMS and SAPs are all aligned at the same time, at real time. Along with that, the production system, quality management, plant maintenance, all the basic modules are now on the platform.
All this process of onboarding the SAP and Systems Limited and all these project timelines, how they were met, how all the teams, our core team members, our power users, our systems consultants, how they work together as a team and made it a huge success.
So we have laid this foundation, the digital foundation with MG. MG is now among the top leading companies using the latest version of SAP now.
It was a tremendous achievement by the team to actually complete it on time, on task, using the latest technology of business transformation platform provided by SAP. And it has been a great effort from MG Motors, from SAP, from Systems Limited team to actually achieve this on time. Thank you so much.